this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where you can't click on your start menu. So if your start menu is not working or you can't click on this button here, I'm going to show you a few ways on how to go and solve this issue. So the first thing you need to do is just press Ctrl-Alt-Delete on your keyboard and go and bring up the Task Manager window. Now from here, click on the search box at the top of the page. You could then type in Explorer and you need to right click on Windows Explorer and then just press Restart. Now your screen may flash black for a couple of seconds and you can check to see if your start menu is now working. Now if it's not working, we're just going to come back over to the Task Manager window and this time press Run New Task. Now check the box next to create this task with admin privileges, then type in CMD and go and press OK. Now from this window, type in SFC space /scan now and then press enter. Now this is going to check your computer for any corrupted or damaged files. So you'll need to wait for this verification to get to 100%. And once that's finished, you can check to see if it solves the issue. If it's still not working, come back over to Task Manager and click on Run New Task. Check the box next to create this task with admin privileges. And this time we're going to type in PowerShell and press enter. Now you need to go and type in the following command. Now I've already got this saved on my notepad and I'll leave this in the video description so you can come in, copy and paste this as well. So we're just going to paste in the command like so and press enter. Now once you've done this, you can check again to see if that solves the issue. Now if it's still not working, the final solution is to come back over to the Task Manager, click on Run New Task, and type in ms-settings : and press enter. Now from the settings page, go and click Windows Update in the left hand side. You could then click on Update History and then scroll down and click on Uninstall Updates. Now if you've recently installed a Windows update and your start menu is stopped working, you'll need to go and uninstall that specific update. So you can go and check the dates of when these updates were installed and just go and uninstall that particular update. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.